Hello. In this video, you will learn to register in your desired schedule from the Schedule Builder tool. In the Schedule Builder, click the Collapse Filters button at the top of the page. Then, scroll to the bottom and review all of your course selections to ensure accuracy. Once you are ready to enroll, click the Build Schedules button. Review the schedule options that are displayed. Once you have a schedule you like, click the Enroll button. Click the checkbox directly under the Select Classes title. If there are courses you do not want, uncheck those selections at this time. Click the Validate button to ensure you will be able to successfully enroll in your selected courses. If you receive any repeat warnings, please note that you may not be able to enroll in those courses. Once you are ready, click the Enroll button. Click through the courses and save on each one. If you need to add any variable units, permission number, or anything else, please do so at this time. The Schedule Builder will load and you will see a successful enrollment message. If you receive any errors, please read them carefully to correct the issue. If you have favorite schedules saved in the Schedule Builder, please follow these steps. Step 1, click the Favorites button at the top of the page. Step 2, choose the schedule you wish to enroll from your favorites. Step 3, once you are ready, click the Enroll button and follow the on-screen prompts. Make sure, when you are enrolling, click the checkbox directly under the Select Classes title. Make sure to validate your course options first. Then, click the Enroll button. Click through the courses and click Save on each one. Remember, if you need to add any variable units, permission number, or anything else, please do so at this time. The Schedule Builder will load after you click Enroll and you will see either a successful enrollment message or you may receive errors. If you receive errors, please read through them carefully to correct the issues. If you need any assistance with enrollment, please contact the Registrar's Office by email or phone. Thank you for watching this video. CSUCI has a commitment to excellence, and with the help of the Student Success Tools, your ensured success is at the forefront of our mission.